Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view followed players on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to view the players whom you have followed on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of options available for us. Hover over your username over here at the top left corner of the screen, and on this top down menu, click on the friends option over here just below the profile. Click on friends and you land on this interface, and at the left side you can see a bunch of options available for us, and under the category of following you can see the followed players option available for us. Click on the followed players over here, and all of the players whom you had followed on the past will be available over here. You can also manage the following list if you want to, and currently it says, guys, sorry, there are no players you're following to show because I have not followed any players recently. But in your case, if you have followed anybody on Steam, they will be over here. And guys, this is how to view your followed players on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.